All right, what's going on, everybody? Third Eye here. We're gonna go ahead and do a quick video. Take apart the Honda here, air cooled. We're gonna go ahead and get our drill. This is what we're working with now, guys. No more Dremel. We're going with the drill. The bit stays the same, which is the 9/64th bit. All right, so that's not gonna change. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a shot. Hunched over this camera. Let's see if I can go ahead and get it in. So what you want to do is you want to get that sucker center. And you want to stay straight. Now you don't have to go crazy with this, man. This is a fucking 20 volt. All right, so you don't have to fucking pull the trigger and go bananas. Just go ahead and nice and slow. Go ahead and pull the trigger. All right. And you think that there's that ring I think came off. I can't really tell. Let's see. Almost, so we gotta go with one more. Sometimes they come out right away. But again, guys, if you're using a drill, you want to kind of take it slow. And you want to make sure that you're straight. Because otherwise, there's the ring. Otherwise, you'll pierce the casting and you'll make holes. When you guys see this ring right here, that's usually the lip of the rivet, and that's when you know you're good. So that sucker's off. So we're gonna go ahead and move over to the front end. Same thing. What you want to do is, oh shit, sorry. All right, you're gonna want to stay straight. Nice and slow. Check out your progress. I think we got, yeah, I see the ring there. There it is, that yellow ring there. Okay, it just popped off. All right, so I'm trying my best to film this and do this for you on camera. Let me pull back a little bit. So let's see, I think that should do it. Let's see. Front end's out. Oh, and there you go. And now the base. I love this casting. This is the set 1970 N600. It's an old air-cooled Honda. Really cool casting. I love it when they give us the details in the front and the back, and they just leave it nice and stock. So, you see, I don't do the pilot holes right now, guys. I'm just showing you how to take it apart. So that's basically it. The drill that I'm using here. Pull back a little bit. Black & Decker, 20 volt. Oops, yeah. So that's basically it, guys. So you can go ahead and do what you want with the interior, which I'm thinking of making some videos. I'm not gonna fully rustomize this, but I want to spot rust it, dull it down a bit. Let me know if you guys would be interested in some video like that. Go ahead and drop a comment. Let me know if this video helped you out. Like, subscribe. Until the next one.